Check this guy out. That's not what I want to show you, though. I want to show you some more of these bird effigies. Online, they refer to these as birdstones. Effigy, birdstone, same thing. This is one of my favorites. Here's a unique one. This is a relief style carving. The subject, the bird kind of pops out like it's 3D. Only got one like that. Red bird back there. Call that one the eagle. That's what my son calls it. Check out this little guy sitting on his head. Here's an owl. Check this out. I think this is a wolf or a dog. That's a good one.